The new generation of Chevy's full-size truck is on the way, and it brings novelties that are so important you can't even imagine. Besides typical changes, this redesign brings a novelty under the hood that will delight every true truck enthusiast. That's right, the all-new V8 engine for the 2026 Chevy Silverado is coming, and it made me cry tears of joy. Let's have a look. Next generation V8 power. Here's the news that'll restore your faith in American trucks. While Ford is stuffing tiny EcoBoost engines into F-150s and Ram is turning to inline-6 units, Chevrolet just made the largest single investment in engine plan history, $888 million at their Tonawanda facility in Buffalo, New York. This isn't about downsizing or going electric. This is about building the most advanced V8 engine the world has ever seen. The 6th generation small block V8 is scheduled to start production next year, which perfectly aligns with the 2026 Silverado launch. While Chevy hasn't revealed exact power figures, they're promising more horsepower and better fuel economy than the current 5.3-liter and 6.2-liter V8s. Consider this. The current 5.3 produces 355 horsepower and 383 pound-feet of torque, while the 6.2 delivers 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet. The new generation will surpass these numbers while meeting stricter emission standards. But here's what makes this investment truly special. GM isn't just upgrading one plant. They've committed $579 million to their Flint engine operations in Michigan, $12 million to Rochester operations for intake manifolds, and another $47 million to Defiance operations for block castings. This is a complete ecosystem dedicated to keeping V8 power alive well into the 2030s. The new V8 will feature advanced combustion and thermal management innovations. This means cleaner burning, more efficient power delivery, and the kind of reliability that made Chevy small blocks legendary. While other manufacturers chase complexity, Chevy is perfecting what works. Bold new exterior design. The 2026 Silverado isn't just getting a new heart, it's getting a complete makeover that'll make the current truck look instantly outdated. Spy photos reveal a dramatically redesigned front end with aggressive LED headlights positioned lower in the fascia, creating a more intimidating presence. The grille grows larger and more upright, taking direct inspiration from Chevy's heavy-duty trucks. This isn't a gentle redesign, this is a complete transformation. The new headlight design features jagged LED elements that cut sharply into the bodywork, giving the Silverado a mean, purposeful look. The front bumper gets a complete redesign with prominent fog lights and sensor arrays integrated seamlessly into the design. From the side, the Silverado maintains its muscular proportions while gaining new wheel designs that enhance its substantial road presence. The shoulder line appears slightly taller, giving the entire truck a more upright, confident stance. New 20-inch wheels with all-terrain tires suggest this truck is ready for serious work and play. At the rear, the changes are equally dramatic. Gone is the dual exhaust setup, replaced with a sophisticated quad-tip design that announces this truck's performance credentials. The taillights receive a complete redesign with modern LED signatures that extend further forward, creating a more contemporary appearance. The overall design philosophy is cleaner and more purposeful. Every line has been refined to create a truck that looks both more sophisticated and more capable than its predecessor. This is a Silverado that commands respect whether it's on the construction site or the country club parking lot. Revolutionary interior transformation. If there's one area where the current Silverado has faced criticism, it's the interior, but that changes completely with the 2026 model. For years, the Silverado has carried over interior components from previous generations, creating a cabin that felt outdated compared to rivals. The 2026 model finally addresses this with a complete interior redesign that's long overdue. The centerpiece of this transformation is a massive curved display that stretches across the dashboard. This screen integrates both the digital instrument cluster and infotainment system into one seamless unit, similar to what we've seen in premium Cadillac models. This isn't just about looking modern, it's about functionality and user experience. The dashboard receives a complete redesign with premium materials throughout. Soft-touch surfaces replace the hard plastics that plagued previous generations, while the overall build quality takes a significant step forward. The control layout is completely reimagined with higher quality switchgear that feels substantial and durable, but the improvements go beyond aesthetics. The 2026 Silverado features completely redesigned front seats that address one of the biggest complaints about the current truck. These new seats are more substantial with significantly better side support, making them suitable for both daily commuting and serious off-road adventures. Sound insulation receives major improvements as well. The cabin becomes notably quieter and more refined, creating a more pleasant environment for both driver and passengers. This addresses another common criticism of the current generation, and the interior space remains generous across all cab configurations. Regular, double, and crew cab variants continue to offer excellent passenger accommodations, while the available bed lengths, 5-foot 8-inch short bed, 6.5-foot standard bed, and 8-foot long bed ensure there's a configuration for every need. Diesel engine continues. While the spotlight focuses on the new V8, Chevy isn't forgetting about efficiency. The 3-liter inline-6 Duramax turbo diesel that has proven popular continues for 2026 with recent updates that improve both performance and reliability. This engine delivers an impressive 305 horsepower and 495 pound-feet of torque while returning excellent fuel economy. Recent updates to the Duramax include improved emission systems and enhanced durability. This engine has become increasingly popular with buyers who need maximum towing capability combined with excellent fuel efficiency. For 2026, expect further refinements that make this engine even more appealing. The diesel option will be available across multiple trim levels. This gives buyers the flexibility to combine diesel efficiency with their preferred comfort and feature level. Whether you choose a work-focused custom trim or a loaded high country, the Duramax delivers the same impressive capability. Enhanced ride quality and off-road performance. The 2026 Silverado will ride on GM's updated T12 platform, and the improvements will be immediately noticeable. For years, the Silverado has been criticized for ride quality that lagged behind competitors like the Ram 1500. The new generation directly addresses this with a completely reworked suspension system. The updated platform delivers a smoother, more controlled ride without sacrificing capability. Engineers focused on reducing harsh impacts while maintaining the solid feel that truck buyers expect. The improvements are particularly noticeable on rough roads where the truck remains more composed. But comfort isn't the only improvement. The stiffer structure provides enhanced towing and payload capacity, while revised steering delivers better feedback and more precise control. This creates a truck that's more confidence-inspiring whether you're hauling a boat or navigating city traffic. Off-road capability receives significant attention as well. The Trail Boss package will continue with 4-wheel drive 2-speed transfer case, electronically locking rear differential, off-road suspension, underbody protection, and all-terrain tires. Hill descent control and various terrain modes help tackle challenging conditions with confidence. The ZR2 will take things to the next level with 33-inch all-terrain tires, advanced suspension dampers, upgraded skid plates, and locking front and rear differentials. This creates a truck that's genuinely capable in serious off-road conditions while remaining comfortable for daily use. For ultimate capability, the ZR2 Bison will return with mud-terrain tires, enhanced underbody protection, and redesigned bumpers for improved approach and departure angles. This creates a truck that's ready for the most challenging terrain while maintaining on-road manners. Electrified future strategy. While Chevy is investing heavily in V8 technology, they're not ignoring electrification. The difference is their approach. Rather than rushing to all-electric powertrains, Chevy is focusing on hybrid technology that enhances capability rather than replacing it. Most rivals have already introduced hybrid variants, and Chevy recognizes this trend. A plug-in hybrid variant is expected during the first 2 years of production. This system will combine the new V8 with electric motors to deliver enhanced power and improved fuel efficiency. The hybrid system will provide all-electric driving capability for short distances while maintaining the towing and hauling capability that truck buyers demand. This approach makes sense for truck buyers who need maximum capability. Pure electric trucks work well for certain applications, but many buyers need the range and quick refueling that only internal combustion can provide. Hybrid technology offers the best of both worlds. The hybrid system will integrate seamlessly with the truck's existing 4-wheel drive system. This ensures that electrification enhances capability rather than compromising it. Expect the hybrid variant to offer the best fuel economy in the Silverado lineup while maintaining full towing capacity. Release date and pricing. The 2026 Chevrolet Silverado is scheduled to launch next year. Pricing will increase modestly from current levels, but the Silverado will remain one of the most competitively priced trucks in its class. Base models are expected to start around $40,000, while fully loaded variants will exceed $70,000. Despite these significant improvements, Chevy is committed to maintaining the Silverado's value proposition. This truck will continue to offer more capability and features for the money than most competitors. The combination of proven reliability, enhanced capability, and competitive pricing makes the 2026 Silverado a compelling choice for truck buyers. The 2026 Chevrolet Silverado represents everything truck buyers have been asking for: a new V8 engine that delivers more power and better efficiency, a completely redesigned interior that finally matches the competition, enhanced ride quality that addresses previous shortcomings, and expanded capability that meets modern demands. This is more than redesign. It's a complete transformation that positions the Silverado as the truck to beat. Of course, rivals aren't just watching, they are preparing updates as well. Check out this video about the 2026 Ford F-150, which you can now see on the screen. The world's best-selling pickup truck is getting subtle but important updates that will ensure it retains dominant position on the market.